Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to remove subtitle from a video on Capcut. So to remove a subtitle from a video on Capcut, you have to first of all log into your Capcut account. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Go ahead and select the project from which you wish to go ahead and remove the subtitle. So as you can see, this is the subtitle that I have right over here. So in order to remove it, just go ahead and select the particular one. So when you go ahead and select a particular subtitle, go ahead and press the delete button. Now this is only going to delete a certain portion of the subtitle. However, if you wish to delete all of the subtitle all at once, you try another steps. So for that case, what you can do is you could just go ahead and tap on it, and then you could go ahead and click on edit captions. When you do that, you'll be able to see all of these and click on delete button. So here you could go ahead and select yes, delete both. So here you could just go ahead and tap on the bin icon and go ahead and click on no delete captions. So when you tap on edit caption, then you could go ahead and select that, and from the top you could go ahead and tap on the cross icon and you can just remove that, or else you could go to edit caption and from here you could just press on it and then remove the text just like that, one after the other. So in this way you could go and remove subtitle from a video on Capcut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.